cruise haul video where I'm going to show you some of the clothes that I wore, and also going to show you how my clothes did using the bundle method of packing. It was a new method I came across when I was trying to pack all my clothing for the cruise, and I found out you cannot bring an iron or a steamer with you. So I got a little concerned about all the flowy clothes that were going to get wrinkled, so I tried this out, and I'm going to show you how the clothes did. I'm also going to show you some of the outfits that I wore during the day and in the evening, and just talk a little bit about feeling good about your body, where it's at, and loving yourself and loving the clothes that you wear. Okay, so before I get into the clothes, I wanted to talk a little bit about loving yourself just as you are. So I'm not a super thin model, and I'm also not a larger plus size woman. So I'm kind of in between as a size 12. And I've always thought, you know, kind of these thoughts of like, oh, if I would be better if I was thinner, or be more lovable if I was thinner, or more fit, and things like that. But the truth is that you are just as worthy and just as lovable as you'll ever be, exactly as you are right now. So we think that we always have these goals of, you know, if I was stronger, or if I was fitter, if I was thinner, I would somehow be better, or I would feel better. But the truth is, you're never going to feel any better than you feel right now. And the key to getting where you want to go is to feel good how you are. So the outfits I'm going to show you are just outfits that I picked out that I felt good in, because the most important thing is that you are feeling good as you are. So some people may have like a more flamboyant style, or might like more crazy clothes, and that's great too. It's however you want to be is the most important thing. So I have a lot more, you know, kind of more mainstream muted style, which I enjoy. And some people might like to do more thrift shopping, or they might enjoy more of a bohemian style, and that's great too. I mean, variety is definitely the spice of life. So the more that you do what makes you happy, the more you are contributing to life in every way. The more you do what makes you happy, the more you are contributing to society in a beneficial way, because what the world needs is your best self, and your best self starts with you feeling good. So I want to talk a little bit about also, what if you desire to be different than you are? Some people are very happy in their body, like a size 12, there's nothing wrong with that at all. But if you desire to be, let's say, stronger or fitter or thinner, you should also honor those desires. So if you desire to be different than you are, it's important to feel good, but it's also okay to honor what your desires are. So if you desire, for example, to be fitter, you're gonna feel your best self if you go to the gym and you work out and you work towards those goals. And so that is the key to getting where you wanna go. One of the terms Abraham Hicks uses is satisfied and wanting more. So find the things about yourself that you love and be satisfied with that, but it's also okay to want more. And that's how you make positive change towards where you want to go. So it's inevitable that change is going to happen. So we're always changing. Any illusion that things are staying the same are just that, it's just illusion. So to work towards where you want to go is gonna feel the best for you. The most satisfying thing is to be working towards your desires. So feel good in the body that you have now in this moment, and also work towards who you want to be. And then you're gonna feel your best self all around. So first I'm gonna start by showing you the unpacking video. I'm gonna show you how the clothes did after the bundle packing. I took the majority of my dressier clothes and I bundled them up using this method. And I'm going to put a link below to show you a video on how to do this bundle method if you want to try it, because overall I feel like the clothes did really well, and about as good as they could have done, really, considering how long they were packed up. So I'm going to show you that now. So overall, I'm very happy with the bundle packing. As you can see, all of the clothes that I wrapped on the outside of the bundle did especially well. They had very few wrinkles in them. And then slowly, as I got closer to the center of the bundle, some of the items were a little bit more wrinkly, but compared to the traditional fold and stack method, they still appeared to be less wrinkly, and overall I had to do less spraying with the wrinkle release to get them to look good. So I think I would definitely try this method again. It does require a little bit of investment into the packing because you have to create a nice square bundle for the inside that you can then lay your clothes out to the side of them and then wrap them slowly up. So I am going to link to that video below on how to do that, but it is a little bit different method. It takes a little getting used to, but I think for any type of trip where you're bringing dress clothes, I would definitely try it again. Overall, I give the bundle packing method 2 thumbs up. And now we're going to move on to show you a few of the outfits that I wore on the cruise. Okay, the first outfit I'm going to show you is a black pantsuit that I got from Target, and I was super excited when I tried on this pantsuit because I always looked at pantsuits in the store and I thought, oh, those are so cute, but I don't necessarily have the body to wear a pantsuit. And when I tried this one on, I thought it was actually very flattering, so I was very excited to wear it, so I'm going to show you that right now. This is a pantsuit outfit I got from Target, and I thought it was super cute. I'm going to wear it to the first full workshop day. So this is what I'm wearing. So the next video I'm going to show you is what I wore to one of our snorkeling outings. My husband and I absolutely love to snorkel, and I love to be out in the sun. I am very fair, so I have to be very cautious about getting burned, and I tend to wear a lot of very covering outfits when I go out in the sun, so I wear a lot of sun shirts and things like that. So I'm going to show you one of these outfits that I wore for our snorkeling trip. Okay, so I've got my snorkeling outfit on, which is I have this one-piece bathing suit from Land's End that is really comfy, and it's got a little bit of like ruching on the side, which is flattering. And then I've got this cover-up, which I got at Target, which is really cute. And it actually wasn't in the cover-up department, so I think it's just like a regular outfit kind of thing. But I like it, looks like a cover-up. And then I'm wearing black leggings today, because yesterday I just had on a skirt, a little mini skirt that I had for swimming, and we did a lot of walking, and my thighs didn't really like that. So today I'm going to wear leggings for comfort, and then also because I'm fair, I have a swim shirt, so if the sun comes out and we're doing something, I don't want to sunscreen my whole back, I am going to put this on, put the cover up off, so it should be a fun day. This outfit is an outfit that I wore to lunch, and I ended up re-wearing this outfit several times because it had some sleeves on it, and actually our Caribbean cruise was a little bit chilly, so I liked this shirt a lot because it gave a little bit of coverage, and I just thought it was very flowy and pretty and just felt so Caribbean when I was wearing it. Okay, so we just got back from snorkeling and it was really fun, but it was a little chilly, so we just took showers and got dressed for lunch. And this is what I'm wearing to go to lunch. This is just like a super flowy kind of Caribbean type shirt that I got from Target, and I'm wearing some capris that I got from Kohl's, and it's just a really comfy outfit, and these have a little bit longer sleeves that you can roll up, which I like since I was a little bit chilly. So I am going to go enjoy some lunch and just in this nice comfy flowy outfit. I packed about 2 kind of a little bit fancier dresses to wear to the evening night. So if you've never been on a cruise, you do need to know you need dress-up clothes because people love to get dressed up on the cruise. And these dresses, actually in comparison to what some people were wearing, was pretty casual, but they were still nicer for me. They're still flowy and they felt good, but they weren't necessarily as fancy as what some of the others were wearing. But I'm not really a super fancy kind of girl, so to me, these felt pretty fancy and pretty good. So I'm gonna show you these now. Okay, so we're getting ready to go to a cocktail party. It's an Abraham Hicks cocktail party. And I'm wearing this dress, this kind of easy dress that I got from Kohl's. And I have this sweater that I got from Target that I've had for a little while. I just think they're kind of cute together. It's just kind of like a nice, easy outfit that looks a little bit nicer for the cocktail party. Longer dress that I brought was pretty comfortable and felt good, and I wore that to dinner. I just took a picture of me wearing it to dinner, and then we also wore it to an event called Silent Disco. And on the Celebrity Cruise, they have an event where everyone wears headphones and they don't project the music, to everyone. So you get your own personal headphones where you can choose among 3 stations. And it's really fun because, again, variety is the spice of life. And I love this as an example of that, where people can listen to like some older disco music, modern pop, and then there's also a Latin station. And then you can just kind of change it around depending on what kind of music you like and what feels good to you. So that was really fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to live your best life and to wear what feels good to you. So I will see you in the next video.